I'm Dr. Paul here, one of the doctors that just came to our patient education workshop. And what's so unique about our patient education workshop is it's, number one, it's not based on subluxation and chiropractic philosophy. So for the doctors who are having a hard time believing in, selling subluxations, this works really well because it's based on pure science and it's based on the three phases. So our patient education is based on the three phases of healing. That's science, it's undisputable. And then it's based on their biomarkers, their tests. And so we have a patient education system that connects their test relative to the three phases of healing and how we communicate to the patient. And then we make it affordable. All of our care is affordable. None of our patients, because we know how to talk terms. We know how to talk terms, and that's what makes it all affordable. So what would you say the biggest benefit that you liked about the patient education system that's based on biomarkers and the three phases of healing?
I like it because it's not based on you as a doctor. It's based on the three phases of healing. It's based on the biomarkers.
In other words, it's the patient, right?
Yeah, it's the patient.
In other words, you're just conveying the information, right?
Yeah.
All right. So you don't have to take any of the responsibility. Do you feel like you're pushing anything on them?
No.
Do you feel like you're selling them?
No.
Because, often I hear that with, chiropractors who don't. Were you a subluxation guy before?
Yes.
Oh, you were?
Before a little bit. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Did you see how those subluxations now cause paradigm shifts?
Yeah, and it was uncomfortable talking about it, really. to be
Right,
honest.
right.
Yeah.
And did you see how maybe you started losing more patients because, they come in for back pain and next thing you know, you're talking about asthma and allergies and that's a big paradigm shift?
Yeah, big time.
Yeah. So that's not happening anymore, is it?
No.
No paradigm shifts. So we talk to them about what they want to talk about, right, which is their problem. And then we show them how all the different tests that tell them their problem and grade the problem, right?
Right.
Pretty straightforward, right?
Yes.
And we talked with you about sensitivity testing and all that, the importance of that. And then how about the three phases of healing? How do you like basing their therapeutic protocol on the three phases of healing that can be totally quantified? How do you like that?
Yeah, it's great, and patients understand it right away.
How easy?
Easy.
Real quick, yeah. So in general, what would you have to say about our patient education that's based on the science?
It's great. Patients understand it. It's easy for you as the doctor. Patients want to pay for it because they understand
You make it affordable, right?
Yeah.
And again, you go home feeling good. You don't feel like you're selling anything, do you?
Yeah.
You're just sharing with them the facts of their test and how it relates to the three phases of healing, aren't you?
Yep.
And then making it affordable, right?
Yeah.
But we're doing it in a structured system, so there's no paradigm shifts. It makes it easy to understand. And that's what gets patients to stay pay. That's how it works. Does that sound about right?
It does.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Yeah.